pounds of chicken I bought from Aldi. What I did is I added some salt to the bag. To the 4 pounds, I added about 4 teaspoons of salt. So I'm going to go ahead and take these outside and place them on the grill. Okay, here's the chicken. I have it firing in the middle of the grill. I'm going to just go ahead and turn this over. The chicken over. Only been on here for about a minute or so. Cooking it pretty fast. I'm going to move it to indirect heat in a little bit. Just want to get some char on the chicken. I'm going to move it to the top grill. It's a really good fire. Trying to hold the camera with one hand. I'm going to close it down for a little bit. Okay, let me check the meat again. It's really windy here this evening. Turn it over. I think I'm going to put everything on that top deck. Looking good, because I believe it's going to start raining very soon. So at least I will have all of the chicken off the fire. Yeah, I am going to put some over there, Bill, but most of the fire is over here. So, ooh. Made a great fire. Woo. So let me close it down, and I am gonna go inside. Put it there. See how windy it is. Oh wow, it's definitely windy out here. Whew. So I gotta make sure I time it based on how long I left it out there. Just moving them over on the other side. This is fire still hot. It's raining now. Okay, I'm gonna close it and go back inside. I just took these off the grill. It's raining outside, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the barbecue sauce on them inside. Here, this is sugar-free barbecue. Okay, you see it? That's the kind I use, and it's very good. I usually don't mix anything with it unless I want the barbecue to be really spicy, but it's a great barbecue. And you can buy that at H-E-B or Walmart. If you don't have a H-E-B where you live, I'm sure you have a Walmart, so you can buy it there. I'm gonna add a little more barbecue to this cup, so I want to turn them over. I don't think I got that one. Since I have the fire going, I decided to cook some hot sausages for Bill. They still on the grill, and I have to take those off. And also some uncured turkey franks. They got 1 gram of sugar. They also is 1 gram of carbs. So you don't want to eat too many of those if you eat some. Every once in a while I have a taste for a hot dog, so I don't eat but about 1. All of this food probably will last us 2 or 3 days. So let me just add a little more barbecue on them. They are really good. I tasted one without the barbecue sauce on it, and it's seasoned throughout because I marinated them overnight in some salt. I didn't even add any pepper. You know, when you buy your chicken wings from Aldi or wherever you buy them from, before you put them in the freezer, whatever you're going to do, add some salt to it, then freeze them if you like to freeze them. If you're not going to freeze them, just go ahead and add the salt and put them away. You know, some people wash their chicken and some don't. I have my food management license. According to their rules, they say you don't supposed to wash the chicken, but I know a lot of you do, and that's all right. And sometimes I will do it as well. It depends on how the chicken looks when I take it out of the bag. Okay. All right. That looks delicious. I have to get a nice shot. I think I'm going to place it on another sheet of paper. I'm going to go ahead and place them on the tray. Trying to keep it as clean as I can, the tray. But that doesn't look like it's going to happen. It smells so good in this kitchen. Ooh. And I can't wait to have another piece of chicken with the barbecue sauce on it. Oh, turn over. Don't try to fight me on this. Bill can't wait till I take those chicken wings off the grill. I mean, not the chicken wings, the sausages off the grill. We already said I'm coming down for some. We have already eaten. He has already eaten dinner. I'm not that hungry today, so I'm kind of snacking. So I will have one of these chicken wings though. I'm gonna have a flat, this one. It is so good. Very good. It was so good. This is the rest of the meat that I grilled today on the grill, so that's all right. That was good. All right, so tell me if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching me. Have a wonderful day. Love you guys.